Hello students, welcome to tutoringcluster.com. So I'm starting a new weekend series in which you will come to know about different competitive government exams for which you can prepare during your second or third year engineering. So हम different competitive exam के बारे में जानेंगे कि आपके लिए क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, आप कौन सी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम दे सकते हो, उसका सिलेबस क्या होगा, एप्लीकेशन फी क्या होगी, आप कौन से ऑनलाइन रिसोर्सेज यूज कर सकते हो फॉर योर बेटर प्रिपरेशन। सो जो भी चीज़ें वो गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट रहेगी वो मैं यहाँ पे डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ। सो दिस इज अ पार्ट वन ऑफ दिस सीरीज and in the very beginning of this weekend series we are going to talk about one very good technical exam which you must attempt if you are very good in your technical subjects। जो भी आप सब्जेक्ट सेकेंड और थर्ड ईयर इंजीनियरिंग में पढ़ते हो related to your branch, whether you are from computer science or electrical, ENTC or IT or civil, chemical, mechanical, irrespective of branches, for all the one branches, there is one exam that is known as a GATE exam. So in this video series, we are going to talk about GATE exam. So basically GATE, it stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So this is one of the very good exam for all the engineering students. Now, about GATE exam. Now, who conduct this exam? So, GATE, it is a national examination jointly conducted by IISc Bangalore and 7 IITs. So, we know that IITs, Indian Institute of Technology, these are very premium institutes related to engineering. So, every year, IISc Bangalore or IITs, they are going to conduct computer based exam related to your branch of engineering. Now, what are the opportunities? Before going into the detail that इसका syllabus क्या होगा, इसका exam pattern कैसे होगा, कितना time duration होगा, let us see what are the opportunities if we are cracking this GATE exam. So first option is you can go for the higher studies. You can go for your MTech. Okay, the opportunities after the MTech, if you are doing your MTech from NITs or IITs, there are very good opportunities are there. So you can go for it. Second, many PACs. Okay, for example, ONGC, GAIL, HPCL, Power Grid, all the different public sector units, they use the score of GATE exam for recruitment. So this is the second opportunity. Third opportunity, if you want to do the research, then you can go for the PhDs also. Okay, so there are institutes, IITs and NITs, which offer direct PhD program. Okay, it will be obviously it will be of 5 to 6 years. Okay, but for the PhD programs, the GATE exam is considered. Next opportunity is fellowship program in IIM. So this is also one very good opportunities. Okay, in both these opportunities and as well as for MTech, you will also get a stipend from your institute. So stipend, it varies from 18,000 to 25,000. For the PhDs, the and fellowship program, the stipend will be around 30,000. And obviously, there are plenty of research opportunities are also there. For example, plenty of times you have come across the JRF position or SRF position, that is Junior Research Fellowship. Okay, so many government laboratories or IITs, NITs, or even the private university, they have the funded projects. So for their funded projects, they recruit the research fellows based on the GATE score. So plenty of opportunities gets open if you are cracking the GATE exam. So I hope the opportunities after the GATE exam is clear to you. Now, who can apply for this exam? This is a very good thing. Now, the students who are in their third year engineering students or who have completed their engineering degree, they can go for this GATE exam. That's why I have given that this exam you should prepare from the start of your engineering itself. That's why I am coming out with this series so that once you are graduated, you should be ready with the direction of your career. So whether you have to go for whether you have to make your career in technical field, or you have to go for the banking exam, or you have to go for the management courses like MBAs. So different competitive exams are there related to different field. So plan accordingly, make the planning, search on the YouTube, search on the website about different competitive exam. Okay, whether you are interested, whether your interest is getting created or not, try to find it out and plan accordingly. It's always better, you should prepare during your second and third year engineering. You should start your preparation from second and third year engineering itself, right? Because in the fourth year, obviously you are going to get more time. Okay, so you can revise properly and you can give your final attempt once your engineering degree is completed. The salary structure are very good after the GATE exam. So even the third year engineering student, even they can give this exam. So you can give your first attempt in third year itself. Now, what are the different branches? Okay, so there are plenty of branches, whether you are from aerospace engineering or biotechnology, civil engineering, chemical engineering, computer science, okay, ENDC, mechanical. So almost all the branches are covered for the GATE exam. Obviously, the syllabus are going to be different for each of these branches. So we are going to discuss the latter. Now, what is the application fee? So if you are a female candidate or if you are belonging from SCST or physical with disability candidate, so it will be of 750 rupees. For all the other candidate for general OBC, it is going to be 1500 rupees. Okay, so this is the application fee. Now this is a very important slide, and please do not forward this video for this slide. Now, obviously, we have discussed it's a computer-based exam. Okay, the duration of this exam, it is going to be 3 hours. Now, there are going to be two sections. The first will be of general aptitude, and second section, it will be related to your branch. Okay, so if you are from mechanical background, the questions will be of mechanical engineering. If you are from computer, the questions will be of your computer branches. Same with electrical, etc. civil. Okay, so there will be two sections. One will be of general aptitude and second section will be related to your branch. Now, there will be total 65 questions. Okay, the 10 questions, it will be of general aptitude and there will be 55 questions from your branch. Okay, so that's why those students who are very good in their technical subjects, please go for this exam. It is going to be easy for you to crack this exam. Second, the distribution of marks. So for general aptitude, there will be a 15 marks. Okay. The 13 marks, it is for engineering mathematics, and subject question, it will be of 72 marks. Okay. How the classification is given? See, this 100 marks, okay, it is divided in three sections. So 15 marks, it is for general aptitude, that is the quant. 13 marks, it is for engineering mathematics, okay, M1, M2, M3. And 72 marks, it will be related to your subject. It will be related to your branch. Okay, mechanical, civil, computer, whatever it is. So this is how the 100-mark distribution is given to you. Okay, so as we have discussed, this is one section, section 1, and this combine the section number 2, which is related to your branch. Okay, now there will be a negative marking for this. Okay, so for 1-mark question, the 1/3 mark will be deducted if you are wrong, and for 2-mark question, 2/3 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. So there is negative marking. That's why this exam, it becomes little bit difficult. So we have to be very correct while answering the different questions, right? So to brief this, it's a computer based exam. Total marks will be of 100. There will be 2 sections, general aptitude and the subjects related to your branch. Now let us discuss further what is the syllabus of this exam. So 2 sections are there as we have discussed. So this is the syllabus for general aptitude. So you will be having English, okay, then quant will be there and the reasoning part will be there, and engineering mathematics and concern subject. So the link of the syllabus of your branch I will be posting in the description box, so you can go and check the syllabus in detail. See whether irrespective of branches, whatever subjects you are studying during your 2nd and 3rd year engineering, all the subjects mostly will be there for this GATE exam. Plus, there will be some subjects which you are going to study in your 4th year. Some subjects will be there. Okay, for example, for the mechanical engineering student, the CAD/CAM part is there, right? So some part which you are going to study in your 4th of engineering student, that is also included. So you can go and check complete syllabus in detail. Okay, I will be giving you the link. You can download the syllabus from there. Okay, but these are the 2 sections. So one is general aptitude and second related to your branch. Now, which sources you can use while preparation? So now due to COVID, there are all the institute almost, these are very big institutes which are dedicated for technical exams, whether it's a GATE exam or Indian Engineering Services exam, all have launched their online courses. So you can go for MadeEasy, or you can go for AS Academy or IES Master. It is very good for civil, electrical and mechanical core branches. If you are from computer or IT, you can option for these 2. And Exergic, it is, if you are from mechanical, please go for Exergic courses. So you can search all these courses, you can see the fees, and if you are trying to attempt the GATE exam, I will suggest you please join any one of the online course. That is going to be very helpful for you. You are going to get the video courses, plus they have the dedicated study material. Okay, plus there will be section wise test will be there, subject wise test will be there, full length test will be there. So all those are going to be helpful for your preparation. So my suggestion is, if you are going for GATE exam, no need to go to other metro cities in Delhi or in Hyderabad. Okay, you can sit at the home in your home and please make use of the online coaching. That is going to be very helpful, right? So these are some good online coaching available at this time. Now, what are the exam dates? So every 1st and 2nd week of February, GATE exam is conducted. It is mostly on Sundays. Okay. So maybe if there is some COVID scenario, the dates might be changed. But till now, in the 1st week of February, generally the GATE exam is arranged. Now, what are the important dates? If you are in third year engineering students, okay, you still have chance to apply for GATE 22 till 24 September. Okay, so this is how generally in August the notification is released. So till September you can apply for the GATE exam. Okay, then in the first and second week of the February the GATE exam is conducted and the results are announced in the March, right? So this is the just to give the idea when you get the notification, okay, till when you can apply for the GATE exam. So if you are in third year engineering students, you can still have a chance. Go for the your first attempt. You can go for the first attempt. Because in this September, you can prepare some important subjects related to GATE and you can give your first attempt. Now, so this is all about the GATE exam. Hope you have understood. At least you have got the idea related to GATE exam. Who can go for the GATE exam? What are the opportunities? What is the syllabus and what is the exam pattern? So this is how I am planning to come out with different competitive exam just to give you the idea. Obviously, the decision is going to be yours that which field you are interested in. But if you are interested in technical subjects, if you want to make your career in technical background only related to your branch, you can go for the GATE exam. I already discussed, join any online coaching, okay, and you can prepare for your career. The salaries are very good. If you are joining any of the, if you are getting any opportunities which we have discussed, the salaries are very good. Even during your education, during your post graduation or during your PhDs, the stipends are very good. So easily with this stipend you can sustain and you can make your career better. So thank you for watching these videos. Please do like, share and comment. Still, if you have any doubt related to GATE exam, you can write in the comment box. Join us on the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box. And please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.